Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to import struct from another package in Go. So we will be using a very simple example to import structure from another package or a child package. Create a directory structure for our application. So let's start with main.go. Now folder we can name, what should we name? Let's name it as father. And in father, we can have father.go. Also, we can have a folder called son. And in son, we'll have son.go. So son is inside father. Now let's initiate a Go mode. Go mode. Shade. Let's call it as family. You can also use your Git repository, but if you don't have, let's use a simple family. So it created a Go mode. Now let's go to main. Package main. Let's have before we call the function, let's import something. Let's import can call it parent, and from where? Family slash what it is, father, and this we can call it as child family slash father slash son. Now let's have the main function. F, let's give it as F variable new, what we call it, new parent dot father. We can have println, can call F dot data. Let's give him a name Sam George. Let's have another variable for a child dot son empty dot println. So we'll have, what will we have in the print line? C dot data, and we can call him Ken George. Okay, so that would be our main function. Now let's go to father. By default, we will import a package would be father. We don't have to import anything because I'm using Visual Studio. I'm not importing it. By default imports for me. So let's call a function initiate, and let's say print line what, let's call it father is initiated. Then we can call it type, can say father struct. Since we only have one, it's only the name, so we are only using one name string. F father data name string, you can say string F dot name equals to father plus what, name. That will return F dot name. Okay, now let me copy this. Let me copy the entire thing and use the same in son. Make some changes. Call it son. We will have son as initiated. Call this son. Change this to S. Change this to son. Son. This F we can change it to S. S dot name. Okay, so I was okay, return. Okay, I think I would have made the same mistake here. Yeah, return. Okay, now let's run this. Go run main.go. Okay, I am getting an error. I'm getting an error of main. Not sure what happened. Let me clear the terminal again and go run main.go. Okay, there it comes. Maybe some issues with the terminal. So this is a very simple example of how to import struct from another package. So if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.